Hello guys, welcome to Sudwalacaves. My name is Esther and I'm one of the top guide at Sudwalacaves. So we open at 8:30 to 4:30. You are more than welcome to visit us. Thank you.
Hello guys, my name is Lebohang, aka Thanos. Guys, I am a tour guide here in Sudwalacaves. So our guided tours takes 45 minutes to an hour. Now listen to this. Come and find out.
My name is Sihle. I'm the Sudwala Zipline Guide. We open every day here from 9 o'clock to 4:30. Come fly with us.
Hello guys, welcome to Sudwala Zipline. My name is Andile. I'm one of the guides. The Sudwala Zipline is 760 meter long.